Hi and welcome to Human Nature Part 2. We're now going to play the first verse and we begin with a G major in open position. Hammer on and pull off. Slide. And then slide again. And then we play the second verse up the octave. So we play a G major here at the 7th position. Open string and hammer on. Slide. Harmonics at the 7th fret. And then pull off. Percussive beat and then 2 harmonics at the 7th fret, and then slide up with the 6th down to what is a G major shape there, and that takes us into the chorus, which I'll cover in detail in the next video.